welcome to my channel. My name is Twitty and I talk all things luxury, fashion, and lifestyle. And today I'm so excited because we have a Chanel unboxing. And I mean, who doesn't love a Chanel unboxing? So if you're excited about what's in this box and can't wait to see, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you no longer miss any videos from me. All right, so let's hop into it. Today I have an unboxing. I'm sure you guys can tell by the box now that it is a pair of shoes, and I'm so excited about these shoes, y'all. I'm really embarrassed because it's taking me so long to unbox these. As soon as I saw these shoes on the runway, I texted my sales associate on January 14th, before the shoes were even released. I think the shoes didn't come out till March. I texted her and I was like, I need these shoes. So I'll get into all of that later. Let's go ahead and put the unboxing up. I've already worn the shoes, so I can give you guys an actual review on sizing and fit and all of that good stuff. But I'll put the unboxing up on the screen so you guys can see, and then I will show you the shoes. So here are the shoes, and I'm in love with these shoes. I'm so obsessed. I got the white version of these shoes, and I've seen them come in 4 different heights. So I think there's like a kitten heel, and then there's like a short block heel, and then I got the third tallest, which is the 4-inch block heel, and then there's a platform version as well. And then it comes in a few different colors. I got the white and black, obviously, but I was really torn between the baby pink and black, and I actually would have gotten the baby pink and black as well, but my store was sold out of my size. And so I got the white and black, and I'm so happy with these. I absolutely love them. And yeah, like every time I look at them, I'm like, oh my gosh, these are the cutest shoes ever. So you'll actually see in the text, when I requested these shoes, I actually wanted the platform version that I saw on the runway, because I'm a heels girl. Like, I love high heels. I love platforms. I love stilettos. Like, I'm a heels girl. So when I saw the platform, I was like, that's what I need, because for me, it's like the taller the shoe, the better. I either am in heels or I'm in flats. There's no in between. There's no nothing. So I saw these and I thought these looked really cute as well at this height. But of course, as soon as I saw the platform, that was going to trump these. My SA called me when they got the shoes in, and they didn't have the platform in my size. They only had this version. And I thought about it and I was like, you know what? I think like this style, I still want it, because I think this is like a very classic Chanel silhouette. And I'm now at the point in my life where everything that I purchase, especially like luxury investments, I'm looking at the future of like, I want to be able to wear this when I'm 70 years old and have like a vintage Chanel piece. And so when I thought about it, I felt like this height, the silhouette was really something that like I can wear forever as like a beautiful vintage piece. And I'm not sure that the platform would still suit me in the same way. Not saying that I don't plan, who knows, like I still plan to be rocking my heels and platforms at any age, but I just felt like this will give that really chic, classic look many years from now. And so I'm really glad that I went with this style over the platform, because I think it will just like be beautiful for many years to come, and less trendy. So mine is the 4-inch heel, and as you guys can see, it is a block heel. So for me, that was actually really tough, because like I said, I love a stiletto, and these shoes are so comfortable. They are so easy to wear. But I will say, when I first wore them, I felt like I was walking kind of weird, kind of like in a clunky way, because I'm so used to wearing like a skinny heel and just having, like, I'm just used to walking in a skinnier heel, whereas with a block heel, I was like, I have to adjust to like, I don't know, like, is this a wedge? Like, I don't know what's going on. And I know that may seem silly to some people, but for me, it was hard to figure out at first. Not hard, but it was just like an adjustment that I had to make of like how to still, you know, walk. For me, it was an adjustment trying to figure out how to saunter, if we will, in like a chunkier block heel. But I will say, I wore these, we did a lot of walking, and these were so comfortable. I wore them on a night out. I had a very cute, it was kind of like a, when I think about it, full-on Chanel look. I had on like a pink two-piece tweed set with these shoes, and the looks I got, you guys, like everyone was just like staring at these shoes. So if you can get your hands on these shoes and you actually want these shoes, definitely get them, because everyone was looking like, wow, like obsessed with these shoes. And so they're very comfortable. I was able to walk in them. These will definitely be a casual shoe for me as well. Like, I can see myself wearing these with like a pair of jeans, button-up shirt on a Saturday to go shopping, because they are just so comfortable. Like, I did not feel like I was wearing heels. They felt amazing on the foot. No pinching, no pulling, no nothing. So really, really, really 10 out of 10 as far as comfort. Now let's talk about size. So I ordered this from my SA that doesn't live in the same area as me, so I never actually went into the store to try these on. So I just went ahead and ordered my standard Chanel size, which is a 39. I am an 8 US, a true size 8. So I typically wear a 39 in European sizes, and that was true for this shoe. Now I do have a wide foot, and I have a very wide foot, like true wide foot. And with these shoes, as soon as I slipped my foot into both of them, I was actually shocked at how generous the shoe is. So the one con I will say is this shoe is actually pretty wide even for me. So if you have a narrow foot, I don't suggest this shoe, because I did feel like I was slipping a little bit in it. And I know if you're someone that has a narrow foot, this shoe is just gonna be flopping all over the place for you, even with the ankle strap. So I recommend trying it on and seeing if that works for you, because it is very, very generous and wide across the width of your foot. It actually is true to size lengthwise, so I don't recommend going down a size or half a size trying to save on the width. When I tried it on, like, I definitely would not go to a 38.5. As far as the length, I felt like it fit my foot perfectly. There was no extra room or space. My toes are right at the top, my heel was right at the back. So going down would actually have, you know, removed the length for me, and I'm not sure that that would have been helpful. So I recommend get your true size and just know that it's gonna be probably generous across the toe box. But other than that, that's my only con or criticism, is just how wide the shoe is. But the comfort is 10 out of 10. I think the heel height is still feminine. It's 4 inches. It's very classy, and it's just a fun way to dress up a look. I would wear these casually. I would also wear them dressed up. Like, I just think it really is the perfect shoe. Like, it's just so cute. And I was a little concerned about all of the logo and if it would be hard to match, but it actually hasn't been. Like, it's the monogram, especially in the white and black, I feel like it's very easy to match. Some of the other colors may be a little harder. Like, I've been going back and forth between, do I want the light pink or if I want the salmon version. I think I'm gonna go with the light pink, but the white and black is so easy to match. I think you guys will be surprised if you're looking at this shoe at like how easy it'll be for you to wear it and just how wearable the shoe is. So these are my new Chanel sandals. I hope that you guys enjoyed this review and that it was helpful to you guys. Again, if you can get your hands on these, I highly recommend them. I just think they're an amazing shoe, and I have absolutely no complaints about them, and I love them. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss an upload from me. Until the next video, I will see you guys next time. All right, bye guys.